In this first intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner catches a stranger on a bike loitering right in front of his door at night. When confronted, the stranger offers unexpected explanations for his presence.
Sorry? What are you doing on my porch? Is this not Haley's house? No, it's not. I'm sorry.
What are you looking for?
Haley.
Oh, wrong house.
I'm sorry, guys.
In this unexpected Ring doorbell recording, a man visiting to check up on a friend is seen slipping on the stairs right after he knocks on the door. The sudden mishap adds an element of surprise to his visit, capturing a moment of unintentional clumsiness.
Oh, shit.
Oh no! Are you kidding me?
In this amusing Ring doorbell footage, an unexpected visitor, an inquisitive turkey, is seen standing right in front of someone's door. The unusual sight adds a touch of humor and surprise to the day, as the turkey seems curious about its unexpected destination. In this suspicious Ring doorbell footage, a masked stranger approaches someone's door with hidden intentions. He begins by tampering with the sanitizer machine placed outside, setting the stage for his covert actions. In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, a stranger is seen standing right in front of someone's door, pressing the doorbell and claiming to have a Christmas package for the homeowner. His unexpected visit and festive claim raise questions about his true intentions.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Merry Christmas, I got you a package. And lots of stories. Read my books.
In this unsettling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a woman with a backpack is seen creeping right in front of someone's house with hidden intentions. Her stealthy movements and suspicious behavior suggest she has something more than just a casual visit in mind. In this intense nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen walking straight to someone's door and forcefully kicking it. His aggressive actions and the late hour create a disturbing scene, as he attempts to break through and gain entry. Watch as the violent attempt is captured on camera, raising serious concerns about the intruder's intentions. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a stranger is seen gaining entrance into a luxury car parked in the driveway, searching for valuables. As soon as he hears the homeowner stepping out, he quickly flees the scene, leaving behind the car and his stolen opportunities. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen outside someone's house making suspicious movements. His behavior raises red flags as he lingers around the property, seemingly up to something untrustworthy. In this dramatic Ring doorbell footage, a reckless driver is captured almost running into a man walking right on the walkway. The close call underscores the dangerous driving behavior and the near miss with a pedestrian. In this puzzling Ring doorbell scene, a stranger walks up to someone's door and begins asking a series of strange questions to the homeowner. His unusual inquiries create an air of suspicion, leaving the homeowner and viewers alike questioning his true intentions.
Is this your house? Is this your house key? Huh? Is this your house? I think so, huh?
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this curious Ring doorbell footage, a strange woman walks up to someone's door and presses the doorbell, requesting permission to pick some fruit from the tree outside. Her unusual request raises questions about her intentions, as she seeks access to the homeowner's property for a seemingly innocent yet unconventional reason.
Upon engaging in conversation, she requests permission to take one. The gracious homeowner grants her request. However, the woman mentions her inability to reach the fruit due to the tree's height. The homeowner regrets being unable to assist as she is occupied with work.
Hi, I was right. Seeing your fruit tree. May I try one of those? I think they're like
You can go ahead and grab one.
There isn't any. They're too high.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm busy working right now.
Fine, some other day. Thank you.
In this mysterious nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen walking up to someone's front door, pressing the doorbell, and then departing without waiting for a response from the homeowner. His sudden and unexplained visit adds an element of intrigue, leaving the reason for his brief stop unanswered. In this dramatic nighttime Ring doorbell footage, police officers are seen pursuing a car through a residential area. The high-stakes chase unfolds right in the middle of the night, capturing the intensity of the situation as law enforcement pursues the vehicle through the neighborhood. In this suspicious Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen attempting to gain unauthorized access to someone's apartment door. His attempts to bypass security and enter the property without permission create a concerning scene. In this alarming Ring doorbell clip, a group of individuals is seen attempting to break into a property, armed with tools and wearing masks to conceal their identities. Their coordinated efforts to bypass security create a high-stakes situation, captured in full detail as they work to gain unauthorized access. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a strange lady is seen on someone's porch, searching for a key to gain access to the property. Her suspicious behavior and intent to find a way inside raise significant concerns about her true purpose and the potential threat she poses.
Leave him. Hey, leave my stuff. What? You're where?
In this brief Ring doorbell moment, a man is seen making a quick check on someone's door. Finding it locked, he swiftly departs from the scene. His hasty retreat after discovering the door was secured adds a layer of mystery to his brief, unexplained visit. In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a teenager is seen stepping out of a vehicle and approaching a car parked in the driveway, searching for valuables. When the car owner catches him in the act, the teenager quickly retreats to his waiting car and makes a hurried escape.
In a sudden turn of events, the teenager hastily retreats to his own vehicle and makes a swift getaway.
In this shocking Ring doorbell footage, an uninvited guest gains unauthorized entrance into someone's home in broad daylight. The family is stunned to find the man inside their house, adding an element of surprise and distress to their day. In this compelling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, 2 police officers are seen conducting a search for a crime suspect. They knock on a door to check if they can investigate through the neighbors, as part of their effort to locate the individual. Watch as the officers engage in their search, highlighting their dedication to solving the case.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this concerning nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a visibly distressed homeless woman is seen attempting to break into a residence. Her desperate actions under the cover of darkness raise serious concerns, capturing a moment of vulnerability and potential risk for the homeowner. In this concerning nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a visibly distressed homeless woman is seen attempting to break into a residence. Her desperate actions under the cover of darkness raise serious concerns, capturing a moment of vulnerability and potential risk for the homeowner. In this unsettling daytime Ring doorbell footage, a strange woman approaches someone's door, presses the doorbell, and then begins yelling with suspicious reasons that suggest she might be under the influence. Her erratic behavior and loud outburst create a troubling scene, raising concerns about her intentions and the safety of the household. In this alarming Ring doorbell clip, a woman with unusual behavior is seen standing right in front of someone's door. She vandalizes the decorations outside the house and steals the Ring doorbell camera. Watch as her destructive actions and theft are captured on camera.
Security.
In this unsettling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen walking onto someone's property and peeping through the window, clearly looking to gain access. His suspicious behavior under the cover of darkness raises serious concerns, as he attempts to determine if he can find a way into the home.
Get the f*** out of there.
In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a delivery man is seen after delivering a package to the rightful owner. However, instead of leaving, he takes the opportunity to steal valuables, such as a case of water left outside on the porch. Watch as his questionable actions unfold, capturing an unexpected breach of trust.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.